Hey, welcome to this crazy series. We're about to dive into the world of binary bots. We'll be checking out different binary bots and how to make them, and we'll also learn how to tell if they're making us the big bucks or not. I'm Phil, aka the AI Millionaire, and I'm going to be your guide through this totally free YouTube course. So what's the deal? By the end of this, you'll all be pros at making profitable binary bots. How do we get there, you ask? Step 1, let's learn the basics. Step 2, let's imitate. Step 3, let's innovate. And don't you worry your pretty little heads, you don't have to be a coding whiz to join this party, but learning a language is always a smart move in this day and age. If you want a full Python course, let me know in the comments, but for now, we're starting from scratch. No coding experience necessary. First things first, create an account with binary.com, but I'm not going to hold your hand on this one, it's super easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see a whole bunch of trading options, but we're going to focus on the synthetic indices to start, and then move on to Forex later. This series might take a while, but it'll be worth it, trust me. And in between, I'll even share some bonus tips on how to make it as a trader and how to keep your cool when things get stressful. Because it's not just about strategy, it's all in the psychology, my friends. All right, let's do this thing. So we want to make our lives easier and automate our ideas. But hold on. Don't think that it's going to be a breeze and ideas will come pouring out of your ears right away. Nah, you got to be patient and enjoy the learning process. Once you get the hang of it, though, ideas will flow like crazy and you'll be up all night just wanting to keep going. Okay, so to automate our bots, we got to head on up to the tippy top and click on Trade. That's going to take us to our playground where all the automation magic will happen. And that same playground is where our little bot friends are going to do their trading too. So just click on Binary Bot and log into your account. I already have one, so I don't got to do that. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you're on your demo account so you can build and test your bots in a risk-free environment. But don't worry, even though it's fake money, whatever happens on your demo trades will be the same as what happens in a live account once we start using real dough. Once you're on that page, it's going to look a little something like this. We're going to be starting with creating a bot that trades on synthetic indices. If you don't know what that means, you can do some research or just ask our buddy ChatGPT over at chatopenai.com. Sign up for free and you'll be able to ask questions like, what are synthetic indices? And ChatGPT will give you an answer just like this. Synthetic indices are financial thingamajigs that let traders make bets on the performance of a particular market or asset class without actually owning the underlying assets. They're made by combining a bunch of financial thingies like stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies into one index that tracks the underlying asset's performance. Unlike traditional indices that have a fixed set of assets and weightings, synthetic indices are all flexible and can change to reflect what's going on in the market. This means traders can take advantage of more investment opportunities and profit from both rising and falling markets. Synthetic indices are used a lot in binary options trading and other financial doodads that offer fixed returns based on the underlying asset's performance. They're also used by investors who want to diversify their portfolios and protect themselves against market craziness. But watch out. Synthetic indices can be super risky and highly leveraged, so you gotta think about the risks and rewards before you jump in. If you want more info, just ask ChatGPT and they'll hook you up. But I won't go too deep into that. It's a whole other video. Let's keep rolling now that you're a smarty pants and know what synthetic indices are. We can get into making a binary bot. First, we gotta fiddle with this market thingy and change the top one to derived and the next one to continuous indices. We won't mess with the volatility yet. Let's leave it at 10 ones, which means the indexes are generated every second. But let's change it to 10 without the ones because we're slowing down, baby. Indexes are now being generated every 2 seconds. Next up, we want to change the trade type to digits and leave the next one as matches and differs. But change the one below to differs because that's the first bot we're making. Candle interval? Just leave it at 1 minute. Easy peasy. That's all for lesson 1, folks. Hit that subscribe button because I'm doing this for free and that's the only way you can repay me. Turn on notifications too, because lesson 2 is right around the corner and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in and catch you on the flip side. Mwah!